So the film is very interesting, and film develops in momentum, and it's quite of uh, quite of a chase. The film develops in the first half. The fan is very innocent and critically acclaimed, and everybody loves him. He's so sweet. We understand that, but the star doesn't give a damn in the first half, which usually happens. It's all right, but he plays the negative in the first half. He's acting himself only as Shah Rukh Khan only. Just the name is changed, yeah. So he's acting as the star, but the star was negative. And why not negative? They were it was negative and it was good. Otherwise, how would the film have developed? Yeah, how would the film have developed if he was in negative? Second half, the fan becomes negative, because in the first half I won't tell you what happened, but the star was really negative. In the second half, the fan becomes negative and he tries to portray his dark image, and he takes revenge more than the star did to the fan. The fan did to the star, and everything is equal. The climax, the scene, and the chase. Now everything is over, and uh, the star's reputation is spoiled in the world as the fan did. And now the fan, now whatever AK is explaining his fan what to do, what not to do, and and be his own individuality. In the end, he just changes and becomes very nice. But the fan isn't ready to listen, and he shows his obsession that if you don't say sorry to me for what you did, he's just asking for a sorry throughout the second half, and that's what his chase is all about. So I won't tell you what happens, but the end is really sad. But yeah, whatever. It's really sad. Actually, these films are just about, like we watched Dar. It's like Dar only. It's like a stalker based movie. It's a film completely full of a person who's full of himself and loves someone like crazy, like an obsession. This is crazy. Yeah, it is crazy. We understand that. We all understand that, and but we love these sort of roles. Yeah, these are just, in Dar he was mad for a girl, and in this film he was mad for a star. So these are just real life situations. He's shown the truth, and he's told us not to be. He's told us to be fans, but not to be as big fans, risking their own lives. And I felt really bad for Gaurav. I won't tell you what happened to Gaurav in the end of the film, but it was really bad, and I would recommend you to watch the film. It's a nice film. Overall, the story, the climax, everything is nice. Only the ending disappoints me, because me being a very very big fan, it's not appropriate. But if they had shown the ending, it would have been SRK's best film, maybe. But it wasn't the best film because it was, corrupted in between. It was corrupted because the ending was incorrect. Exactly what we say. It was incorrect. We all were sad. My rating would be about 4 point. These talk based movies are just, obsessive. These are the truth. We somewhere have the villain inside us. We shouldn't take it out. We have it. Sometimes it's around us. We don't realize it. But yeah, so my rating would be around 4.5 out of 5. I've just cut 0.5 because of the ending. I loved the film, but in the first half I cried a lot, and in the second half I was feeling like what was happening was right, and it was going to a good ending, and now the star had become nice and everything was nice, but the fan showed his obsession, and that was so sad that even made me cry. That was bad, what we literally call bad. So yeah, this is my review on Fan. Thank you so much. I am back with my reviews, and thank you.
मैं तेरा फैन हो गया, ठीक है? मैं
तेरा फैन हो गया। शाहरुख खान का तो फैन था शुरू से, डाई हार्ड। एंडिंग बहुत गंदी लगी, बहुत बुरा लगा, कोई बात नहीं, बट फिर द फिल्म इज अमेजिंग। एंड एक बात मैं आपको फिर भी कहना चाहूंगा कि इट्स लाइक डर ओनली। डर में जैसे शाहरुख खान, किरण, उसकी ऑब्सेशन, ये इट्स लाइक डर, वो लव ऑब्सेशन, ये भी लव काफी मिलती जुलती है। ये यूजुअल सोसाइटी में बहुत बड़ा पार्ट प्ले करता है। एंड ये फैन एकदम मेरी तरह था। दिस फैन वाज लाइक मी बट बिट डिफरेंट। इतना पागल नहीं होना चाहिए। ही jumped and whatever it was, he jumps a lot in the film for him, and whatever happens, it's very sad. And the way he showed, like Gaurav wrote something on the mirror, and he wrote sorry bolde or something like that. Yeah, it was like Dar only. In Dar also, Rahul Shahrukh Khan writes on the mirror and shows that he's the authority in Dar. And every time it happens, because this authority is always shown, this sad stories are different, completely apart, but still the obsessiveness and everything is related to each other. And this is another thing, and obviously it would be sad, but still I'm giving 4.5, as I've said just right now. Thank you. I'm back with my reviews. आप देखते जाइए, मैं करते जाऊंगा। थैंक यू। फैन तो रहता ही हूँ शाहरुख खान का, कुछ भी हो जाए। ही हैज सम चार्म इन, मतलब कुछ तो है ना उसमें। Even after watching such a sad movie, such a sad ending, the film was very interesting. It was the truth, actually, they've shown. It was the truth. But कुछ तो होगा ना यार, अभी भी एक अटैचमेंट है, एक मतलब कनेक्शन भी ना, कमाल की चीज़ है। बस हो गया तो हो गया, मत पूछो कैसे। अब रोज मिलते हैं मैं और आर्यन, कभी नाश्ते में, कभी डिनर पे, रोज आती बातचीत। वाईफाई ब्लूटूथ ज़्यादा से भी ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग है अपना कनेक्शन। गौरव है तो आर्यन है, गौरव नहीं तो आर्यन कुछ भी नहीं। तुमने मेरा 25 साल का प्यार छीन लिया, मैं तुम्हारी स्टारडम छीन लूंगा। इतनी तेज लग गई। गौरव है तो आर्यन है। थैंक यू। Sarkis acting is also the main part in the film. It's his acting is amazing. It's like 12 out of 10. It's amazing in the film. In Dilwale, I believe so that the movie was more strong than the acting. But in this film, the acting is so strong. It just gave energy to the movie. Otherwise, the movie was nothing if the acting wasn't there. The acting was brilliant, awesome, fantastic. Maza aa gaya. His acting was Kiran wali acting. It was boom. It was, यार कुछ था, मतलब बात थी, होती है हमेशा, उसकी बात ही अलग है। यू ही कांट बी कंपेयर्ड टू एनीवन, तभी तो उसका फैन हो गया। ये and he has always admitted to the statement that a fan is bigger than a star. He is admitted, but actually the star is bigger. Obviously the star is bigger. He's admitted because that's why he did such a film. What was the need for him to do such a film? He just believes in his fans. He loves his fans. He's admitted to this statement. While it's not such, so many of the people don't believe in this statement, but he does. He does it.